Hey everybody, when you first saw this monster cart, I made it out of a big wheel red wagon from Harbor Freight. And I tell you what, I got a lot of criticism on it, and everyone said it wouldn't work, it's going to fall apart, it's going to crash, and all that good stuff. Well, I'm here to say one thing. As an adult, the responsible and humble thing to do is admit when I'm wrong, and I was wrong. It definitely was not something that was conducive to productivity, and what I mean by that is, it kind of sucked how I built it before. Taking a wagon and pulling a cart like this was not a smart thing to do. So today I'm going to go over a few things that I did to this cart where I modified it, and now it is a bad mother trucker. And it works awesome. Let's bring it in and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, so first and foremost, the biggest thing that I had to fix were the wheels. So what I've done is I got pneumatic rubber 10-inch wheels, and I got this from Harbor Freight, so these are Hall Masters. And the original size of this cart with the wagon, this was 16 inches wide. That was really unstable, and buddy, I tell you, it was kind of scary to pull too. So I put a 2x6 on the bottom. I've got these independent casters here, and this is 23 inches wide, and it makes a huge difference. In fact, it makes a world of difference, and I'm no longer pulling it with a handle. I just grab it right here and I push it. So these articulate. On the back, these are 10-inch pneumatic wheels, but they're fixed. So I can rotate the front and the back are fixed, so I can maneuver around the yard or anywhere I really need to, and it's awesome. The greatest thing about it is it's stable and it moves. Look at this. So on the top I have all my supplies back here. And the beauty about this, and now that it's more stable, it works great. I have tools mounted all the way around. So you want to get them out of the storage area, and you want to put it where it's supposed to be. Obviously I have cords up front. I have tool hangers on the side. Up here, this is where I keep my screws, things like that. Works out great. Doesn't fall out because it has a lip right here. So I've got my light in place, so at night time I can see everything that I'm doing, and you can rotate. This is just the yoga light that I so near and dear call it, but this is just the workbench light that you... But on the back side, I have all of my chargers mounted up here, and the shelf extends out, so it gives a little bit of protection from the rain. Obviously, you don't want to be in the rain, but if you do get caught in it, this is going to help protect it until you can get it inside. These are all hooked up right here, the 3 chargers, to this power strip. Now, you can't always run power out to where you're at, so I do have the power supply that sits in the lower cart, and that will charge a battery. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it works out pretty well. And if you can get power out to it from the extension cords, then you're all set and you can charge your batteries all day. So if you were one of the people that told me I was wrong, go ahead and say it. I told you so. Because you were right. I'm very happy with this now. Give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think and how it's going to go. But with that being said, I truly appreciate all of your comments, even if they don't agree with my own. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like. Take care.